Hi everyone, my name is Allison Visconti and I would like to propose a harm reduction policy focusing on the abolishment of our currently accepted anti-drug policy and instead create safe injection sites specifically in the state of Massachusetts. In general, harm reduction measures serves as an umbrella term for interventions looking to reduce a problematic behavior. In accordance to this policy change, harm reduction seeks to reduce drug overdoses, deaths, and disease transmission by supporting the implementation of safe injection sites. At the core of this policy change, harm reduction in relation to safe injection sites supports any steps in the right direction. This policy does not enable poor choices or the use of illicit drugs, but instead greets the inevitability of drug use. If we are able to monitor the use of illicit drugs in a controlled setting, we can then reduce the amount of overdoses and deaths, reduce HIV and hepatitis C transmission, aid in the abolishment of the illegal drug market, require less from health professionals, EMS response, and police, and reduce drug-related hospitalizations. All these aspects can be met while upholding the part of the federal law that regulates the trade and distribution of illicit substances. In essence, people will be allowed to use within the safe injection sites, but possession or selling of illicit drugs will be considered punishable acts. Drug use and overdoses have been a national issue for years. However, the resurgence of HIV infections in the greater Boston area are now growing at a near epidemic rate, bringing awareness to the issue and the ineffectiveness of the anti-drug policy that is currently accepted. The implementation of a drug policy change that accepts and supports safe injection sites in the state of Massachusetts will disseminate knowledge surrounding drug use and allow for the adaptation of a controlled drug market to radically improve healthcare. This will allow us to take back coveted public areas and to reduce the rates of drug use. Thank you so much for your time and consideration, and I hope you all will greet this policy with an open mind and understanding of its ability to make a large cultural change within the state of Massachusetts.